people. Well, woke up this morning, look out the window, and what is it? It's fucking red. Thinking, what the fuck's the world coming to an end or something? No, we're having a severe dust storm at the moment. Very, very severe dust storm, and severe fucking weather. So I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like. Normally you can see up there, and there's part of a mountain up there. You can't see it. You can't see anything at the moment. You can hear the wind, most probably. Especially you can't hear me at the moment because of the wind. People got their headlights on because they can't see shit. This is bad. We're not letting the kids go to school today because of it. Kids suffer from asthma, so there's no way they're going out in this. No way, shape or form. Well, I could see I could see all right, but even the camera's having more trouble than me seeing. I'm heading back inside. It's too fucking windy and it's too fucking cold. Alright, yeah, that's what's happening here today. Having a fucking severe dust storm. Brilliant, eh? Alright. I've had enough. I'm going inside.